Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start half-yearly syllabus of class 8th maths, chapter 3, square cubes and their roots. And this is part 5 video. Part 5th video, and today's topic is exercise 3.3 remaining part. Yes student, question number 2. Find the square root of the following numbers up to 2 and 3 decimal places. We have already done A part, this is C part, 0.6. So student, first we write 0.6 and we have to write 0.6 as a dividend and make pairs. Point here, point is there. So up to 3 places we have to write 4 places. 0.6, put 1 0, this is one pair, 0 0, second pair, 0 0, third pair, 0 0, fourth pair. So to finding 3 places decimal, we write here 4 places. Okay. Now look here. Here 0 is there, so 0 into 0 0, 0 point. Now 60. We write here 60. Okay student, bring down 60. Now 7 7 ja 49. 60 minus 49, 11. Now 7 plus 7, 14. And here we bring down this 0 0, so it becomes 1 1 double 0. Now 1 4 7 multiply 7, it becomes 1029. We write here 7, this 7. When we subtract this number, it becomes 71. Now bring down this 0 0. Now number becomes 7100, and here we have 154. When we multiply 4 into 4, it becomes 1544 into 4 becomes 6176. Subtract it, 924. Last pair 0 0, bring down, so it becomes 92400, and we write here 5 into 5, so it becomes 15485 into 5, so it becomes 77425. After subtraction, it becomes 14975. So we find here 4 places decimal. So first we have to write 2 places decimal, root 0.6. So it becomes 0.6. We have to write 2 places, so we take 3 places, 0.774. So student, look here, this number 3 places number is less than 5, so we write like that, 0.77. Simply we remove this 4. So this is the answer of up to 2 decimal places. Now we have to write 3 decimal places. So we write 4 places, 0.7745. After decimal, 1 2 3 4 places are there. So at 4 places number is 5. So we add here plus 1 at 3 places. So it becomes 0.775 up to 3 places decimal. This is the final answer. Student, question number 2, last part, E part. We have to find out 132.25. Its square root up to 2 places and 3 places. So first we write here 132.25 and put here after decimal 4 places, one pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. We make 4 pairs. Now look here. Here first number is 1. So 1 into 1 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now we bring down 32. Now 1 plus 1 2 into 1 into 1, 21 into 1, 21. When we subtract, it becomes 11, and here we write 1. Now 21 plus 1, 22, and here number is, we bring down 25, so number becomes 1125. 225 into 5, 1125. Now we have 1 2 3 zeros are there, so simply as you put here 0 0 0, or like that you can solve. So we find out after decimal how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places decimal. Now root under 132.25 equal to, first we have to write 2 places decimal, so we have to take 3 places. So student, look here, 11500, 3 places. So here at 3 places 0 is there, which is less than 5. So we write 11.50 up to 2 decimal places. Now we have to write 3 places, so we'll take 4 places. So root under 132.25, 11.500. Now see here, at 4 places number is 0, which is less than 5. So we write 11.500. This is up to 3 places of decimal. Okay student? So like that you can solve. Yes student, question number 3. Find the smallest number that should be subtracted from the following numbers to get perfect square. Find the square root of perfect square. We have number 3881. What number should be subtracted from this number so that it becomes perfect square number, and we have to find perfect square number also. So student, first we write this number like that, 3881. Now make pair from right side, 1 pair, 2 pair. Now here number is 38. So which number you have to multiply? Same number, so it becomes 38 or nearer to 38, closer to 38. So 6 6 ja 36. 38 minus 36, 2, and we bring down 81 here. So number becomes 281. Now this 6 plus 6, 12. We put here 2. So 2 into 2. So 122 into 2, 244. So we have remainder 37. So student, the remainder is 37. So we can say that 3881 minus 37. This remainder is exceed. So we have to subtract this number from this number so that it becomes perfect square. Here remainder is 37. So required number to be subtracted, this number we have to subtract it. So required number is 37, we have to subtract it. So perfect square number is 3881 minus 37. So it becomes 3844, and we have to find a square root of 3844. So it becomes 62. Okay, so like that you can solve. Students, see one more part, that is C part, question number 3. Which number we have to subtract from this 7756 so that this number becomes perfect square number, and we have to find a square root also. So students, see here, first we write this number, make pair 56, 77. 2 pairs are there. First pair is 77. So 8 8 is 64. 77 minus 64, 13. Now 8 plus 8, 16. And we bring down 56 here. So number become 1356. We put here 8. So 168 multiply 8, it becomes 1344. We subtract it, it becomes 12. So remainder is 12. So required number to be subtracted is 12. And perfect square number, we have to subtract this remainder. So 7756 minus 12, it becomes 7744. And when we find out a square root of 7744, so it becomes 88. So this is the final answer. Yes student, question number 4. Find the smallest number that should be added to the following numbers to get the perfect square. Find the square root of the following. So first we have to find a square root of that number, 8536. So look here, first we make pair, 2 pairs are there, 36, 85. Now here first pair is 85. So we write 9 into 9, 81, 85 minus 81, 4, and 9 plus 9, 18. Now we put 2, so 182 into 2, it becomes 364. So remainder is 72. So obviously 92 square is greater than that, so we have to put we have to what number we have to take, so that after adding that number it becomes perfect square. So student, look here, let the required number to be added be x. So we write here 8536 plus x, so it becomes 93 square. We have to take this is 92 square, so this number is less than 93 square, so we write here 93 square. So 8536 plus x 93 square is 8649, so x equal to 113. So we have to add 113 to that number, so that it becomes perfect square number. So perfect square number 8536 plus 113, it becomes 8649, and a square root of 8649, obviously it becomes 93. Okay, see one more question, D part 17,000. So we write 17,000, make pair, one pair, two pair, and this is single. So first number 1, so 1 into 1, 1, but now bring down 70. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 23 into 3, 69, it becomes 1, 0, 100. Now number is 2, 6, so we put here 0. So here you see 130 square is, we have to take 131 square. Let the required number to be added x. So 17,000 plus x equal to 130 is here. So we have to take 131 square. So x plus 17,000 equal to 131 square is 17161. So x equal to 17161 minus 17,000, it becomes 161. So required number to be added 161. Now perfect square number, we have number 17,000, add 161, it becomes 17,161. This is perfect square number. And a square root of 17161 becomes, this is 130, so it becomes 131. So this is the final answer. You have to solve like that. Yes, student, question number 6. The length of the base of a right angle triangle is 8 cm, altitude 7 cm. Find the length of hypotenuse corrected up to 2 decimal places. First we make here right angle triangle. Here you see base is 8 cm. So we write here BC 8 cm. Altitude 7 cm. So we write AB 7 cm. We have to find this hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, so AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, value of AB 7, 7 square, BC 8, 7 square, 8 square, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 49 plus 64, 113. So we find under root 113 up to 2 decimal places. So we write here 113 point, and here we have to find 2 places, so we make pair 3 places after decimal. Now look here, first number is 1, 1 into 1, 1, cancel, bring down 13 here, and we write here 0, 1, 1, 2, 0. Now bring down double 0 here, so it becomes 1300 by 6, 206 into 6, it becomes 1236 minus 64. Bring down this pair double 0, it becomes 6400, 206 plus 6, 212, and by 3 it becomes 6369. Now 6400 minus 6369, it becomes 31, and you add 2123 plus 3, it becomes 2126. Now by 0 it becomes this. So up to 3 places we find out a square root, that is point, and after decimal we find out 3 places. Now look here, we have answer 10.630, 3 places, and we have to find corrected up to 2 places. So here you see 3 places number is 0, which is less than 5. So we simply remove this 0, and actual answer is 10.63 centimeter, and this is the altitude of that triangle. Okay. Yes, student. Last question, exercise 3.3. The product of a number multiplied by itself is 36.6025. Find the number. So, student, let the number be x. According to question, the product of a number multiplied by itself. So, x into x, it becomes 36.6025. X squared 36.6025. X root under 36.6025. So we have to find out their square root. So we write here 36.6025. We make pair here. First pair is 36, so 6 into 6. 6 is 36 cut. Now point is here 60. Now when we add 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. So we put 0 here and we bring down 25. So 6025. So what number we write here so that their product becomes 6025? 5. 1205 into 5. It becomes 6025. So final answer is 6.05. So this is the final answer. So required number is and the product the number is 6.05. So when we multiply 6.05 into 6.05, it becomes this. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.